think for me, my experience, I can't quite believe how much of a community and connection there is between us all. We've all come from really diverse backgrounds, but and we're all doing similar things. And it's been really nice to actually share with other people what challenges we've faced, listening to them, you know, they've faced the same challenges too, and how people have overcome it, and how actually there is a real community of physician associates out there all kind of experiencing the same things.
I particularly liked the theories that the facilitators brought to our attention. For example, a quote from Alice Walker that you should assume that you've got power, which is so true in all our like different jobs and whatever we find ourselves doing.
It encourages you to just stop, think and reflect on things. That's not something that I do day to day, because it's quite nice to be given the opportunity to be able to think about something that you wouldn't normally think of. Kind of pushes you out of your comfort zone, and it helps you become more empowered, like both professionally and personally.
Something for me that stuck out was when the facilitators discussed the heuristic approach, and their example to demonstrate that was when they discussed the levels of listening. It's really drove home to be aware of the levels of listening when dealing with day-to-day people, but also when dealing with patients, to give them the best outcome possible.
Previously, I've been reluctant, even though like quite often I might find myself in a sort of leadership position. I've always been reluctant to sort of take that up. And sort of over the past couple of days, learning how to actually, you know, embrace that in a way that's comfortable for me will be useful.
I would definitely take back the aspect of receiving feedback, because of course there might be things I don't want to hear and they upset me a bit, but that's one sure way of growing, is to kind of get an experience of how other people are experiencing me, or areas of development that are there. But most importantly, just to get some encouragement, especially when I'm a bit unsure of how I'm doing at work. I just need to ask for it, because maybe people won't necessarily come and give me the feedback, but I can seek it out, and that's fine.
What I appreciate about Module 1 is the subtlety, the way this, you know, we got introduced into all these principles and into all this information without actually, you know, in a lecture format, you know, so in a way, you know, getting you to do the work, getting you to talk to other people, and you kind of just learn from other people's experience, and the information get cascaded down right way into a way where you really understand, you know, the core content of what they're trying to, you know, to tell you. So it's really a different way of learning, which I've never explored before.
In particular, the way it kind of forces you to examine yourself and try and come up with the answers yourself.
It's such a supportive and friendly environment that you feel that you can do these things. It gives you like almost like a confidence boost that you can actually, you do have that power to become that leader. You can be empowered to do what you might not necessarily think you can do.
Sometimes with the fast-paced being in work, it's difficult to take time to actually reflect, but this has taught me the importance of doing so and the important points that you can learn from that. So I'd encourage others to join, just to benefit from it in the way I have.